In a lush jungle, there was a small river named Ripple. Ripple loved flowing through the forest, giving water to all the animals and plants. But one summer, the sun grew so hot that Ripple began to dry up. The animals were worried. Without the river, they had no water to drink. They held a meeting under the shade of the great baobab tree. "We need to help Ripple," said the wise owl. "But what can we do?" asked the deer. A little tortoise named Toko stepped forward. "I will dig a path to guide more water into Ripple," he said. The animals laughed. "You're so slow, Toko. By the time you finish, it will be too late." Toko didn't argue. Instead, he began digging. With his tiny claws, he worked day and night, slowly but steadily carving a small path to a distant lake. Some animals mocked him. Others ignored him. But a few, like the squirrel and the beaver, felt inspired by his determination and decided to help. Day by day, the path grew longer, and one morning, when Toko finished digging the final stretch, water from the lake began flowing into Ripple. The river sang with joy, and the jungle came back to life. All the animals cheered for Toko. "We were wrong to doubt you," said the deer. "Sometimes, it's not about speed or size. It's about believing in what you can do and never giving up," said Toko.